Hello, my name is Gisenia Carrillo Cabrera. I am from Bogotá, Distrito Capital. I am 21 years old. El Salado Waterfall, la cascada del Salado Waterfall, located in the Puerto Rico Caquetá. And surface the that as the night of La Esmeralda. This touristic place in the heart of the corregimiento is a rural area called La Ethiopia. To head place you can walk the bird car and motorcycle. Two are safe places. After there you must water in 20 minutes. Everything is very fruit. The water is crystal clear. During the walks to the waterfall, you can see time. Cows, horse, chicken, goats, clovet, and many more animals. Close the salad water. Store is store in which they prepared the tropical food of the refugee is sancocho de chicken de leña. It was very tasty. I recommend it. They also serve the tropical food to feed their mojarra and snake soup as empanadas, maduro with church, and stuffed potatoes. Y recomiendo, yo no lo recomiendo, arrive to the light, to the plate, because in the afternoon the water is too cold. If the bird won't know the horn and hold the water and tying some good thoughts. Thank you.